Hello, welcome back. We're going to have another application of implicit differentiation to a function given in the implicit form, and this function is called Folium of Descartes. The question is in fact asking the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the implicit function at this point. What we're going to do is, since we can't solve this equation for y, and it's obvious that this equation or the expression of the function is implicit, we're going to use the rules of implicit differentiation. First, we take the derivative of the whole equation. Then we collect all the y prime terms in the left-hand side of the equation and factor y prime term out, and then solve for y prime. All right, let's just roll. All right, let's take the derivative of the left-hand side. It's the derivative of x cubed plus the derivative of y cubed minus the derivative of 6xy equals 0. As we see from here that the derivative of x cubed is the application of the power rule, which is essentially 3x squared. The derivative of y cubed, we have to be cautious on that because y is a function of x. You're taking the derivative of the cube of that. So it's going to be power rule plus chain rule. So this should be 3 times the derivative of the outer function, which is y cubed, so it's 3 times y squared, and the derivative of the inner function, so it's going to be y prime. And here, it's the derivative of this product. So let me just pull the 6 out, and we take care of this product. There we go. And that's all equal to 0. Let's try to collect all the y prime terms in one side of the equation. At this moment, we collected all the y prime terms in the left-hand side of the equation. As you see, I have 3y squared y prime, that's here. And then I have this y prime term here, and that's minus 6xy prime. There we go. And then 3x squared and this x prime y term are all sent to the right-hand side. And eventually we do factor out y prime. So now we have this factor multiplying y prime that's equal to 3x minus 3x squared plus 6y. All we're going to do next is just to divide both sides by this factor here. We have the description for y prime, and the next step we're going to evaluate y prime at the given point to find the slope of the tangent line. So in other words, we're going to replace x here by 4 over 3 and y by 8 over 3, and if possible, we're going to simplify everything to come up with the value of y prime. In the next step, we substituted 4 over 3 for x and 8 over 3 for y, and we simplify this expression to be 4 over 5, so this becomes the slope of the tangent line. All right, in the next step, we can write down the equation of the tangent line to be y minus the y coordinate of the point, that is 8 over 3, and that's equal to the slope times x minus the x coordinate of the point. Here we go. So this is our tangent line. This is the Folium of Descartes, and then the red line over there is the tangent line to the curve at the given point. Well, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.